Hey everyone, in this short video, I'm going to be walking you through the first step to getting a website on the internet, which is signing up for web hosting. The second step, once you sign up for web hosting, is that we'll work on the front end design of your website. That's the funnest part. But the first step is signing up for web hosting. So what is web hosting? Web hosting is you're renting access to a server where your files and all of your website data will be stored so that when someone goes to your website, they'll see it. It'll be online. So every website on the internet has web hosting. We have web hosting. Every website has web hosting. It's just a few dollars a month. It's very cheap. It's the only cost you have to take on in order to have a website on the internet. So it's only a few dollars a month, though. It's very cheap. And so I'm going to show you how to sign up for web hosting with IONOS. So IONOS is a very well-established web hosting company. We use them for a number of our websites. Many of our clients have used IONOS as well. They're also very highly rated. I just pulled them up on Trustpilot and they're at 4.7, which is a pretty phenomenal rating. So what you're going to do is in the email that you receive from us, you're going to click on our affiliate link. So let me explain the context there. We don't charge for our web development work. So you're not going to at any point receive a bill from us for $2,000 for working on your website or whatever it is, because you sign up for IONOS using our affiliate link, and IONOS gives us a commission, and that commission basically allows us to pay the developers who work on your website and get it all set up. So it's a win-win situation because you're paying exactly the same as you would otherwise pay to IONOS, but IONOS also gives us a commission so we can not, pay our own developers, so then we never have to charge you for our work. So what you're going to do here, and we'll walk through the process, is you're going to click on the affiliate link. It'll open up a page like this. Let me make my face here a little bit smaller. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on Get Started. IONOS is super cheap. I'll show you in a second. So on this page, you're going to click to proceed without domain. We're going to help you get set up with a domain later on in the process. So we're just going to proceed without domain. If you already have a domain, that's great. If you don't have a domain, that's also great. We're going to figure all that out later in the process with you. At this point, you have a few different add-ons, things that you can add when you're signing up with IONOS. You can sign up for email. You can sign up for these different services that they offer. We also offer some of these services ourselves, but you're welcome to get any of them through IONOS if you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue at this point. So at this point, it's $12. So you're paying $12 for an entire year of web hosting. That's insanely cheap. That's obviously $1 a month for 12 months. And then at that point, it's $10 a month moving forward, which is an incredibly good deal. Imagine that you're getting web hosting for an entire year, at which point for you to generate customers, establish legitimacy with your business, look more professional on the internet for $12, the cost of a couple lattes. So that's an incredibly good deal. And it also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if at any point within 30 days you say, hey, I don't want to continue, I changed my mind, whatever it is, you can go to IONOS and say, hey, I want to cancel, and they'll give you those $12 back. So you're paying $1 a month for an entire 12 months, which is an amazing deal, needless to say. We love working with IONOS. So at this point, what are your options? You can add on these additional add-ons if you'd like, or you can simply go ahead and pay. Now, it's often easiest to pay with PayPal or Google Pay, something like that. The flow is a bit easier. So if you have one of these, go ahead and click on PayPal, Google Pay. You can go ahead and finish the process that way. Or you can enter in your payment details manually by going to continue here, filling out your information, creating an account password, making sure that you have the zip code correct is important, and then click to continue. At that point, it'll just be an order review page, and you can just click to sign up, and you're good to go. At that point, just write back to Sven, say, hey, Sven, I've signed up for IONOS, I've signed up for web hosting, and we'll be on to the next step in the process. Excited to work with you. Feel free to reach back out with any questions that you might have about the process. Thanks so much.